Tesla Cybertruck is starting to look more refined with new black tonneau cover. You're right. It is. It is, Will.
That doesn't look too bad,
like a truck. Tesla Cybertruck prototype was spotted with the new black tonneau cover as the electric pickup truck is starting to look more refined as it gets closer to production. I'm just waiting. They charged me like $27 the other day, and I was curious what it was for. It said like deposit. I was like, are you using this to like schedule people's trucks? Because I gave them $500 17 years ago.
And then they took a 27 from you?
Just recently.
Yeah.
Just $27. I was like,
Interesting.
Interesting.
They're skimming you.
Well, somebody stole my identity, obviously.
Yeah.
As previously reported, Tesla has built a fleet of beta Cybertruck prototypes to test ahead of the start of production this summer. Over the last few weeks, we started spotting them. It's true. We talked about the mirrors. We talked about what do we call the wiper? The honker? Oh, look, it's What's Inside that posted the video.
Yeah.
Shout out. New shot of Tesla Cybertruck in California. The black glass top with black cover looks really good. IMO. I agree. It's looking better, Will.
That's not bad.
Hey, Will, it's looking better.
It's just a different color change, but...
Well, they did the hood in black, too, didn't they? Oh, no, that was just the way the lighting was in.
Yeah.
Look at that. Look at this guy go. You know, this is also
they should do the hood in black.
This is a better angle. This is an angular angle.
3/4 down?
3/4 down,
Should
baby.
always be looking
3/4 down. Has there ever been a video game 3/4 down? No?
I don't think so.
That'd be interesting, right? Oh, yeah, I know.
Dude,
There's
I
a
don't
lot
mind
that are 3/4 down. All those League of Legends and stuff.
Oh, I thought you were talking about a game that's named that.
All those legends.
Yeah.
Aren't they like kind of like 3/4 down?
Yeah.
I mean, going the other way.
Yeah.
You don't do any of that stuff?
No.
You never had a phase in your life?
I don't think
feel
so.
like I believe you right now. I feel like you're lying to me. Yeah. You never had a 3/4 down phase. You never did some kind of like strategy or whatever type of game.
Yeah, maybe StarCraft.
Yeah, maybe you did. Maybe you did. Maybe you did.
Did you?
Of course I did.
Okay.
Cybertruck is looking good. And you know what? It's about time we had a clip like this. Because there's the last couple of times I've been like, ooh.
This one saved you, eh?
Last couple of times you see my expression. Last couple of times in the thumbnails I've been.
Yeah, a lot of thinking. A lot of unsure.
This one.
This one's not bad.
This one. I'll take a spin.
3/4 down. That's it.
This one. 3/4 down plus, I don't know, did my tires grow a little bit? Oh, is there a honker on it? Wiper? No.
No wiper.
No honker. Interesting. Could that play that big of a role?
Oh, yeah.
Damn.
Hey.
Just get rid of the wiper.
Uh-huh.
But you need a wiper, Will.
No.
Yeah.
That's where the $27 is.
No, we'll take it. I bought the wiper first.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's all you get.
We'll take it.